Hey everyone! Today, we're making a small, modern side table. I'm thinking of combining these two styles. Let's get started. Start by table section. To create the legs, I'm just extruding a plane. And rounding out the edges for a softer look. Now, let's create the tabletop. I'll draw the profile. And use the Follow Me tool to complete the shape. Detail by beveling the sharp edges. Let's duplicate the leg, making 3 of them in a radial array. Then add rubber pads under the table legs. Just adding some basic SketchUp materials for now. Okay, time to export this to Twinmotion. Time to swap out the basic textures with some realistic materials. This time there are only 3 materials: marble, metal gold, and black rubber. And done. Hope you enjoyed the process. Thanks for watching.